welcome back to Beauty Break. Today's very exciting because we're going to be doing a little bit of a haul.
It's true, you guys. We very seldomly do hauls, but seeing as how we've just returned from across the pond, London, we thought, hey, why not share a little bit of London with you guys from this store that we've never heard of called
PRIMARK.
Full disclosure, we actually...
The bag is very precious. Jill brought this all the way from London for us.
So Nicole and I just spent the morning experiencing PRIMARK for the first time. We hauled, y'all.
Jill and Nicole actually went and bought all of this stuff for us because we were busy doing other
activities.
I was busy dying from strep throat.
We're gonna try a bunch of this stuff. Just keep watching.
Let's go.
But before we try any of it, will you guys please subscribe because that'd be nice and keep us employed?
Please.
So we can buy more stuff from PRIMARK.
We actually called there today just to double check that you actually call it PRIMARK and not PRIMARK or
I feel like
PRIMARK or something.
multiple words that you just said
Didn't make sense.
Yeah.
I followed.
No. I just haven't been pronouncing words
I
correctly.
feel like you're drunk.
Just to double check.
Like, what's going on?
Debatable. Let's get started. They don't have these anywhere in America except the East. Oh my god. You guys, the reason we can't mess up this PRIMARK stuff is because there's no PRIMARKs in America except from the East Coast.
There are some.
There are. That's not even a real statement.
It's in Boston.
The East Coast.
Just Boston.
And in southern,
Connecticut.
Oh my god.
down eastern, northern plot.
It's most prominent in London or just in the UK
Europe.
in general.
But for those of you guys who are like, what's PRIMARK? We have a dossier here that's been prepared by our lovely intern.
There are a lot
Natalie.
of good
I
facts
don't
on
feel like
here.
you should be the one reading.
So this is actually an Irish company, and it was founded in 2009.
There's food?
They sell
This
everything
feels
there,
like we just
apparently.
like dumped out like a mystery box. Like,
I
this
described
feels like
it
a bunch
as like
of cheap shit too.
An H&M meets a CVS.
Meets a KKW. This looks exactly like Kylie Jenner's lip kit. Exactly.
I don't know if I would say
Look.
exactly.
Oh my, it does. I thought it was. I was like, do they sell KKW?
Doesn't this look exactly
Yes.
like
No.
Kylie's lip kit? Yeah,
Yes.
look at the
Do you know what the word exactly means?
This is actually something that I believe we've been needing because when we do anything with makeup application on this show, we always just dump the makeup onto the table to use that as the mixing palette. Apparently there's an actual thing you're supposed to use. I've seen makeup artists and then you like go, or you go like this and they'll be like, tap, 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 doop, doop,
That's like a
doop.
real painter.
Yeah, isn't this cool?
That's
like that.
really
That's
cool.
cool.
What is this majigger?
That's a hair remover. You rotate it. I could use that actually.
What are those
It
called?
was like all my peach fuzz has grown back.
Why don't you just
A
shave
tinkle. They're called tinkles.
Because it pulls it out by the root.
it? Oh, so it lasts longer. Yeah. I need to do this on my double chinny chin chin.
What? Here is the box that it looks exactly.
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 I would never be able to tell which is
Look
the
at
real
it.
one.
It's true. One is shimmery and one is matte.
They're. Are we not
They're
even just
very
look at the
similar.
boxes?
I think this is genius. And
Like-
the fact that
Well,
PRIMARK's
they're two
getting away
different
with
products,
this. Very, very
obviously.
smart.
Why do I feel like I smell something like
Burning.
So we have a lot of stuff plugged in.
it's like getting really
Stronger.
Yeah.
Oh, no. The CEOs. It was founded in 1969. I was 40 years off. This company was not started in 2009. It was started in 1969. It's an easy mistake, 40 years off. Okay, these are really cool too.
Wait. Anyway, I'd like to go back to this Kim or the Kylie thing. This size box and like,
But the bigger lip kits look like this when they come with the
do
liner.
they come in this large box
I
like
think
this?
Yeah, with the liner.
I've never seen a Kylie thing with an open face box.
They're not
or
open
an-
face, they're closed face sandwiches, but it's details. This only costs 3 pounds, it's like $5, which is a massive
Wow. We should see if it looks good.
It's probably bad.
steal. Glitter junkie. Who wants to be
Why
a
did
glitter
Jill buy
junkie?
us toothbrushes?
I don't.
They're for sensitive teeth.
Does she really buy us toothbrushes?
Yep.
Or are these hers?
Cares about your oral health.
I think they're
Oh,
for.
Lily, they're for you.
Like, I already got the root canal. Too late, Jill.
Oh, and look
I'm
at you
getting
guys. A lot of
distracted.
people
What
at
is
Coachella
that?
had these, like their whole forehead. It's so much easier than like doing it very detail
Feels like
oriented.
you're
It's very delicate.
Feels like you're gonna get in trouble.
Really, but it's just the whole forehead. What about if I do it as a beard?
Yeah,
That's
that's,
less
less
offensive.
appropriate.
Yeah. Now you kind of look like you'd be like in the Hunger Games, perhaps.
Oh my gosh, am I like Caesar Flickerman?
Exactly.
Am I ready to
That was
report
what I
this?
was thinking, yes. Here, Jocelyn, look it. Breath spray.
Oh, neat. Ooh.
I want some.
It's like that cherry mouthwash they give you at the doctor's office. The dentist, I mean.
Cherry.
It tastes very cherry. Or is that perfume? You know if that's...
It's breath spray, but it's pineapple and coconut, not cherry.
Oh, maybe it's coconut I was tasting.
I just want you guys to know that Nicole, who edits this video, was very adamant about buying this mirror. I have so many of these in my house.
They actually, okay,
Here,
I know that...
You would probably want to mix things up, though.
Oh, those are little tight permy curls.
You guys, these only cost £1, which is like $1.50 or $1.40. This is really good deals.
You guys, this is literally the same color lipstick that I was just wearing.
For £3.
Perfect, you can keep it. Is it good?
Yeah, it's like...
Because otherwise, like, most of these things are available at the dollar store. So none of this is very mind-blowing.
This is like better quality than the dollar store. I love the 99-cent store, you know this.
Yeah.
This reminds me of Beauty and the Beast.
Oh, what is that?
It's a brush.
That's cute.
Oh, it's literally Beauty and the Beast.
Beast theme.
Oh, I don't know what's going on.
Oh my gosh,
Where
I
are we
just
from?
blew my nose.
Okay, well, we have another knockoff.
No, this is really nice. This is really nice.
That looks exactly like Kim Kardashian's packaging. Exactly. These are like those silicone beauty blenders, but I still stand by the fact that a tortilla works much better.
No, it's not just working, Lily.
It's kind of flawless.
It's flawless.
It looks airbrush.
Do you remember when we were using the KKW stuff and then we had ordered it off eBay and it had been used? There's hairs.
This one looks like a baby took a bite
There's
out of it.
fuzzes
It's a tiny
on it.
tooth mark.
Oh my God.
Are you gonna tell me right now this doesn't look exactly like Kim's product? Exactly. Exactly. Exactly.
Yes,
exactly. 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 Exactly.
How many
If
times
you
has
say
Johnson
exactly,
said
like, I
exactly
literally
in a
don't even
sentence?
know how to handle it. I do like that this is called nudes.
These are apparently real flowers inside, by the way. They're real.
Oh. Do they rot ever?
I guess not. The silicone keeps them
I
alive.
was like, why would you want that?
Is this what Kim Kardashian does?
I think so.
Yes.
Most likely.
Absolutely. Here's your blending brush.
Okay, I want to use my rose. Oh, maybe I need this one more.
I was like, I don't think that's a blending rose.
But you know what? This does, like, I think will blend really well. It looks like it's going to.
Are they paying you guys?
No! Okay, this is actually a nutrition bar. It's a beauty bar. It makes, wow.
I'm going in, right?
It looks
I
really
will be
natural.
happy to change my tune.
It looks really natural.
Does it look like it just wallowed in dirt?
Coming from the girl with the glitter, or the jewel.
I'm gonna eat this beauty bar.
Oh, I was gonna do that.
I thought it was.
Dang.
I
It
thought you were
tastes
eating
like
makeup. I was
beauty?
like, oh no.
Does it taste like collagen?
Ginger. It kind of tastes like mint, actually.
It'll just look dirty.
Try this. Take a bite.
I do. I want some.
I want to try this, but I don't want it in my hair, and I don't think it'll show
It's
up.
ginger and honey.
Ew.
It tastes great.
That's like what cough drop flavors are.
Wait, is this cheat day or what? Do I have somewhere to spit this or not?
No, you have to swallow it.
You swallowed this?
That was great. Some
I know what
glitter.
she got is the toothbrushes now. We have marshmallow flavored
That's
toothpaste.
cute.
Okay, I'll try that.
I was
This
so
is body
confused
glitter,
by
you guys.
that.
Look at that
Oh.
pigment. That's, nice.
Coachella 2019. Here we come.
Why are you acting like you would actually want that?
I love it.
This is like fucking Claire's in like 6th grade. Are you kidding?
Don't you dare,
Coachella?
Watch your tongue. Don't you dare say anything bad about
I feel like
Claire.
I'm in the Twilight
Rest
Zone.
in peace, Claire.
I love Claire.
It's over for Claire's.
Oh, my ears both pierced. at
Same.
Claire's. Both
You are
ears.
sticky. Like, ew.
Don't be jealous, okay?
Kim
Ooh,
Kardashian
this
is
does smell like very marshmallowy. You don't like marshmallows?
That's the ginger bar. It's not that. That sounds.
Do you remember when we did the toothpaste episode?
I do. I loved that. That's all that you use? And that, I don't understand. I like
It's
it
like
to be
shampoo.
like really.
You don't need a lot because it like bubbles up. Leave in the comments below how much toothpaste do you leave?
You use a large
Leave.
amount.
I use the size of a pea
Me too.
because
no.
that's what the dentist always told me, and she uses like this
lot?
much.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
Jocelyn, you probably spend so much money in
Oh
toothpaste.
Because
my
it just
gosh.
goes, it like
You
just
waste
spit it
it,
out.
yeah.
Where did the toothbrushes
Oh,
go?
this tastes fantastic.
Did I throw them on the ground?
No, they're right in front of your face.
This is terrible.
It smells really good though.
It tastes good.
It tastes like fluoride.
That's
Or
good.
it's good though. What do you do now with this? Oh no. Ooh! Look how thick these are.
Ooh, shoot. You just hit my.
They're gooey.
Oh, I love those. Oh my gosh, yes. No, this tastes really good.
Okay, so these, look at the inside of these. These are amazing.
This tastes like birthday.
You are yelling and literally so excited about everything.
You guys, look at this has stuff on the inside.
Lily's so mean to Jocelyn. Lily's so negative. Literally, what are these?
I think you're supposed to put
Like lotion first, and then it like keeps it.
and then it keeps it.
So this is actually a Holler and Glow. This looks cool. Face mask.
Where are you gonna put that?
Probably my
Jocelyn?
arm.
Okay.
I want. Look at my arm glitter, by the way. I just put a.
Jocelyn, there's a face tanning sheet mask.
Oh my gosh.
I have to apologize to everyone right now. I meant to ask, do you have any footage of you afterwards?
The only footage available of me with my tan face is from the Harry Potter music video.
Wizard prom, my heart will go on. Dance with me, Harry, because this is our song.
We're not going to use this right now, but it was on sale too.
£1, which is a good deal.
Should I use it?
I don't know.
My face.
What are we doing tomorrow? Do I have to look good?
It's not like a wash off situation though.
Yeah, but like whatever I'm doing tomorrow, will I be embarrassed about it?
Maybe. But maybe not. Let's see what happens. Go for it. Oh, this is a hair sheet mask.
Ooh.
Never even heard of that.
Should I put that on my hair since I haven't washed it?
Yeah.
In 3 years?
Sure, let's
do
just
this
mask up
instead.
your whole body.
This is very
Are those like really
cool.
fat unicorns?
Is that a shower cap?
Yeah.
Is it wet inside?
Yeah.
It's wet?
I mean, yeah. It's a mask.
I definitely want to go into the meeting like this, though, that's for sure.
I think that's the only way you should. Oh,
I will
thanks.
wear this to the meeting.
Next steps are super easy. The write-ups that you did and the proof of concept that you shot.
This only needs to be on for a few minutes.
Put it in my eye, Jocelyn.
Oh no, it's very small though. Okay, I think this is really cool. I think Primark is a fun, inexpensive place to dabble in the creative arts.
I think if you want to play around with stuff, if you don't really know what you're doing, this is a good place to mess up.
It's like the section at Forever 21 where it's just all the cheap.
Where they
Exactly.
always hook you, you know, right before you go check out, you're like, oh, I'll take all of these things that I
Do
don't
you really
need.
buy that stuff?
Socks.
Oh yeah, those little bun things.
The bun covers.
The bun.
Well, now we
holes.
know
Yeah.
why they put everything at the front, because these two are the ones
We'll
that are buying
buy it.
Kind of remind me
Honestly,
of Squidward right now, though, with the note.
Skid Row.
Squidward? Who's Squidward?
Who's Squidward?
I think that means the episode's over, because I'm so offended.
We have some Googling to do.
You guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for sending us to London. We had such a good time.
I don't know.
Thank you for suggesting Primark.
Let us know if we should do hauls anywhere else, like, I don't know, the dollar store, because it'd probably be exactly like this.
No, this
Amazing.
is elevated.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Okay guys, this is the day after the face mask escapade, and update time, nothing happened. It didn't tan anything, although my face does look like it doesn't match my body, and that is because my makeup is off, not because my face is tan. So if you're looking for a tan face, I guess you're just gonna have to go out in the sun and do it the natural way, or get those Saint-Tropez wipes. Jocelyn really swears by those.
Guys, there's even more Clevver style where that came from. I know I look really good, so if you want to see another episode where Jocelyn does something like this to my face, I would just click over here, because it's bound to be just full of gems like my face right now. Please subscribe so this doesn't feel like a waste.